Today I'm going to wait focus. So today I'm going to thread a machine, thread an industrial machine. So let's thread this industrial machine. So there's a thread. I'm going to use this white one. Put it on the thread holder. First thread guide. Come down. Put it through these. Put it under that over there. Cross. Come up through that. Come over. Put it through that. Like this. Under thread guide. Like that. Do that. Right. Come across. This should be up like that, but it's done like this. It's loose, so I think I should put it down, put it through it, wrap it around, put it through 2 holes. Don't put it in the 3 hole part. Don't put it in 3 hole. Skip out a hole and put it in 2. That's what I'm trying to say. Put it down through this guide. Down here. Put it through the tension. I think you got the tension guide. And come up. Put it on this iron thing. Put on this other thread guide. Put it back around this one. Like that. You also want thread. I don't know what to call that there. I don't know what to call it. But move the thread up and down and so on. Put it through that. Draw it from the other side. Around here. Right. See here. You put it through that. Come down. You put through this last guide. Yes, this last guide. Subscribe to the channel to learn more and comment. Comment what you want to see me do next my video. Comment your thoughts down below. Yeah, so you push it through the needle back to front. One here is the back and 2 here is the front. So you push to the back. One here so. So take time. You catch it on here. Like that. Just like that.